So now let's talk about how ChatGPT can review and improve your writing. So I have a written article here about meditation and its benefits. I'm gonna paste this in, and at the beginning, let's add a prompt: review and give me 5 ways I can improve the writing in this article. So it gave me 5 points to keep in mind. It talked about adding specific examples about the scientific part of meditation, explaining different forms of meditation, discussing the challenges of a meditation practice, considering adding personal experience about it, personal stories, and adding a conclusion. It said this essay ends abruptly without a conclusion. So it actually went through and analyzed and did a pretty good job of giving me some feedback. Now what I want to do is actually have it apply these additions to the article. So clearly you can see that ChatGPT went in and really expanded on this article. Now what I want to do is give another example of a friend's bio on his website. So I'm going to go ahead and take this source text and I'm going to say improve, and I'm just going to do a more general prompt. Improve this to make it sound better. So clearly it improved some of the words. It's using the words term musical dynasty, something a little bit more fancy, and it's just elevating it slightly. But we can get more specific and we can improve it for a specific audience. We can improve it for a specific professional level. We can improve it to appeal to other musicians, or even if he's looking for a specific job offer, which we'll get to later in the course, you can speak directly to an audience. So we can now say something not as wide, but we can get more narrow. So about our improvement. So improve the text. Now improve the text. Improve the text to sound very professional and appeal to record labels and music studios that are hiring. So we can see, if we just kind of dive into some of the terminology here, with over 20 years of experience in the music industry, he has established himself as a highly sought after writer, composer, and producer, delivering hit songs for himself and other artists with impeccable precision. So that is not any kind of the wording that we had with our base text that we were working with. So you can really use this a lot to hone in on a specific sound, a specific look, and completely transform your text and written copy.